So I've got gold trade to be able to analyze it for you, but I just want to show you the last trade we analyzed and how much it is playing. So this is the last trade we analyzed 2 days ago, Bitcoin, predicting Bitcoin. And today in the morning, we actually got an entry here. This is the entry, the buy positions we are in, and we are targeting Bitcoin to go up to 99,000 possibly. So that is the trade. And if you watched it here, you would be knowing exactly what to do because I actually explained the entry, where to enter from was explained here. Anyway, with that being said, let's just focus on gold and see how we are having a trading opportunity on gold. So this is the weekly chart for gold. And I just want you to notice something here. You just mark your highs, your lows, which is equal to your price difference area. So this is an all-time high that gold has actually come into, which is around 4,500. And then if you see this, this is a high that the market has broken above. Now, the reason I'm interested in buys or in this gold trade is because of the fact that it has broken above this. And of course, this is a low that the market has not yet reached. Now, if you notice this, the difference between this low and then this new high that has been formed was actually here. And this is why we are trading. So anything above this area here, it is a buying opportunity, of course, with further confirmations. So once you have this, remember today is Monday, so we can switch to, let me just switch to the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, we begin to analyze it down and further. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly tell our price difference. The low, this difference between this low and then this new high was here. Market comes, breaks below it, and then here we thought the market could actually go further down from this low. However, you can clearly tell here that the market comes to this low, fails to break and continue down, and then from here we see a break. Now, what is this break all about? If you notice this, the market has actually broken above these other highs here, which were previous days. Okay, now we have two areas here. Market has broken above this and has also broken above these other areas here, giving us a difference. So we have the difference between this low and this high being here, and now the difference between this low and this recent high that we are in being here. And of course, we have another price difference here. This will be an area in which the market will also react. So once you have this, we can now switch to the 4-hourly, and this is where I'm going to stop. So the most important point is you understanding that the overall picture, which is the difference between this and this, is being here, and the market coming down to give us a low here, and then failing to break further rate, creating for us another difference between this low and then here, being here, is a very good indication that price is very bullish because we've broken above these other highs here. So now for gold, all we are doing now is that we have this and then maybe market reacting from this price difference and then that to an all-time high. So this is the move for gold I'm actually expecting. And this is the move I'm into this buys here. Of course, I will cut my losses in case the market comes back into this area. If we come below this, I will cut my losses, but now I can enter my buys and I hold it. Possibly, this is an area I will be expecting reaction and then to an all-time highs. Now, this is just a technical prophecy. Now, there are other fundamental issues that are happening, including what is happening between USA, Venezuela, and then the oil, Trump, and all of those fundamentals that come in. They will just add flavor to what we have analyzed technically. So this is our view on gold. We are in buys. Let's see how this plays out. Trade responsibly.